All right, welcome back everybody. So today I'm going to work on pulling the steering column out. I'm going to remove these top bars that go to the radiator support. Going to unhook some wiring from inside the cab. And then we're going to go ahead and pick this cab all the way off. And then that way we can go ahead and hook up a new transmission in there. All right, let's get at it. Got the cab bolted back on. Got to do some welding on this back bar. Do some gusseting here and do some tank straps. I got all my brackets on my suspension for the 4-link all welded up solid. Got to do some gusseting right down there on that bend. Got to weld up my motor mounts and do some plating there. We got the new transmission in. Peek at it through there. You'll see that in the video too from earlier. Steering column back in place. I'll build some mounts for that to get it all 100% secured. Same with down here. So that'll hold it nice and tight. Bars all tied on right there. I do got to do a spring for my carburetor so throttle don't want to stay wide open. Headlights sitting in there. Tested them out, hooked some power up, had them glowing. We're going to have to build some battery cables that run down the frame, but for now we just got some negative cables hooked up sitting there. That's just what I had sitting around. Got the cables hooked up there. Distributor wire, oil pressure, coolant. I just pulled that port out and shoved a rubber plug in there. Leaked a little coolant, but nothing major. So measured for a drive line. So we'll get that ordered up tomorrow. See that in a week or so. And I need to order some brake hoses. And with that, I can build some brackets up here for the brake hose. That'll go from here up to here probably. Maybe on the bottom. And then I'll run some brake line down to my master. Same thing for the back. Run it down the frame. Tie into the back brake lines. It has a Ford Explorer rear end in it. So it already has the junction block and I just have a hose set in here. I don't know if you can see that too well. But anyways, I'll get a new hose that'll thread into there and I'll or at least a new block if I have to. Then we'll have brakes. Got to finish a couple holes in the floor. That'll be quick. The back of the cab, some wood boards, and 1x6 across the firewall. Some wood, blue pine. Something that'll look kind of neat. Look a little different. Fit in. And this thing should be, for the most part, a little runner. We can cruise her around. Have a good time with it. All right, thanks for watching. Like and follow if you guys want to see some more. And we got plenty more projects to do. Thanks.